students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is conjunction. Read this dialogue. Raman, what did you have for breakfast today? Ketan, I had a bowl of cereal and a boiled egg. Mother wanted me to have an apple, but I don't like fruits. Raman, although the doctor has asked me not to eat too many sweet things, I can't resist eating jam every morning. Ketan, if you replace a jam with a bowl of cereal, you will not only lose weight but also feel more active. Raman, I don't know why I don't lose weight. Ketan, you are found to be overweight because you neither exercise nor eat healthy food. The underlined words are called conjunctions. A conjunction is a word used to join words, group of words or sentences. The sun was shining and a wind was blowing. There was noise around me but I was not disturbed. Rice and curry is a popular dish. In these sentences, the words printed in bold letters are all conjunctions. In sentences, the conjunction and has been used to join two sentences. The sun was shining, a hot wind was blowing. Similarly, sentence 2 consists of two short sentences. There was a noise around me. I was not disturbed. But in sentence 3, the conjunction and has been used to join only two words, rice and curry. We cannot split the sentence into two shorter sentences. तो conjunctions जो होते हैं वो आपके दो sentences को या दो words या दो phrases को join करने के लिए use करे जाते हैं. Now kinds of conjunctions. Conjunctions are of two kinds. Coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. A conjunction used to join two independent statements or two statements of equal rank or importance is called a coordinating conjunction. Coordinating means of equal rank. In sentences 1 and 2 above and but are not coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are again or of four types. Number 1 is coordinating conjunctions of addition, adding one statement or fact to another. And, both, and, as well as, no less than, not only, but also. And the weather was fine and the sea was calm. The weather was fine, the sea was calm. The window open and my things were lying scattered. The window was open, my things were lying scattered. Expressions like in order that, so that, as if, even though, when used as conjunctions may be called compound conjunctions. तो यहाँ पे आपके दो sentences को add करने के लिए use करा जाता है. Conjunctions को हटा के आप उनको दो separate statements में भी convert कर सकते हैं. Both and, she is both intelligent and hardworking. She is intelligent, she is hardworking. Naveen gave me both books and notes. Naveen gave me books, Naveen gave me notes. As well as his father is sincere. He is sincere, his father is sincere. The captain as well as the crew has arrived. The captain has arrived, the crew has arrived. No less than, he, no less than his brother is guilty. His brother is guilty, he is equally guilty. I am no less grateful to your father than to you. I am grateful to you. I am equally grateful to your father. Not only, he was given not only an award but also a handsome scholarship. He was given an award, he was given a handsome scholarship. But also, the bus was not only late but also fully packed. The bus was late, the bus was fully packed. तो यहाँ पर आपके जो conjunctions use करे गए हैं उनको अगर आप separate भी कर दोगे तो वो दो अलग-अलग sentences में split हो सकते हैं. Then we have coordinated conjunction of contrast, expressing opposition of contrast between two statements. But, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while, only. Now, but the train was fully packed, but we got comfortable seats. The train was fully packed, we got comfortable seats. The earthquake was quite severe, but the building was not damaged. The earthquake was quite severe, building was not damaged. Still, yet, Ram Singh is quite rich, yet he is not contented. Ram Singh is quite rich, he is not content. I was angry, still I did not scold him. I was very angry, yet I did not scold him. Nevertheless, we were very tired. Nevertheless, we continued the work. We were very tired. We continued the work. I'm hard up. Nevertheless, I will give you some money. Whereas or while wise men prefer virtue, fools prefer beauty. Wise men prefer virtue, fools prefer beauty. Rich needs plenty of water, whereas or while cotton needs black soil. Only I am all right, only I am tired. I am all right, I am tired, I could come, only I am busy. Now we have coordinated conjunctions of choice, expressing a choice between two alternatives, or either a choice between two alternatives, or you must apologize or you will be dismissed. You must apologize or you will be dismissed. You must be bold or you will not be able to face the world. Either or, either attend to your lesson or leave the class. Attend to your lesson, leave the class. We can either walk down or take a bus. Neither, he is neither lazy nor careless, nor he is not lazy, he is not careless. Kanika neither looks after the house nor takes up a job. Otherwise, hurry up, otherwise you will be late for the school, else, hurry up, else you will be late for the school, hurry up, you will be late for the school. तो यहाँ पे आपके क्या है, contrast नहीं है, यहाँ पे आपको दो चीज़ों के बीच में से कोई भी एक option choose करना है. Then we have coordinated conjunction of reasoning. One statement of fact inferred from another. For he will rise in life, he is sincere and hardworking. Let me take leave of you, for I am getting late. Then you have subordinating conjunctions. A conjunction used to join two statements, one of which is dependent on the other, is called a subordinating conjunction. यहाँ पे sentences के दोनों part, conjunction से पहले वाला, conjunction के बाद वाला, interdependent है, एक के बिना दूसरा कोई भी sense नहीं बनाएगा. Look at this sentence. We continue to work although we were getting late. In this sentence, although we were getting late is a subordinate clause, for it cannot stand on its own. Therefore, although is a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions may be classified according to their meaning. Now, subordinate conjunctions introducing noun clauses. That she said that she was confident of his success. Are you sure that you have the right address? I'm afraid that I will not be able to come. It appears that Mrs. Sinha is in a bad come. If or whether, she asked me if I had sufficient woolens for the winter. They wanted to know whether I could accept the proposal. Then you have subordinating conjunctions introducing adverb clauses. Time, when, wherever, before, after, till, since, as soon as, while, or as. When we felt thrilled when our football team won the zonals. Whenever, I will give him your message whenever I see him. Before, celebrations has begun before the results were formally declared. After, the gates were locked after the guests had left. Till, father asked me to stay at home till he returned. Since, she has not written to me since she left. As soon as, turn off the gas as soon as the water starts boiling. While, he checked his accounts while I took a cup of tea. As, I came across an old friend as I was walking to the school. Note, while suggests a certain duration of time, as a conjunction it means during the time that, for as long as, at the same time as. While there is life, there is hope. As can be used to mean when or while. I saw him as he was getting off the train. He was still in the process of getting off the train when I saw him. तो while या when जो होता है वो आपको किसी भी चीज़ की continuity, duration बताता है. Place, where or wherever. Where, she found her bag where she has left it in the bus. Whenever he goes, he wins respect. Causes or reasons, because, since, or as. Because, I prefer to live in Namita because the climate of the hills suits me. Since, gas supply to his house was disconnected since he had not paid the bill. As, we could not interview him as he applied late. Then you have result or consequence, जहाँ पे आपका so that, such that use होता है. So that, he spoke so fast that I could not take down any notes. Such that, there was such a loud noise that I could not have even a wink of sleep. Then you have purpose, so that, or lest. So that I stayed back home so that my grandfather might not feel lonely. That we eat, that we may live. Lest he's wearing a woolen coat, lest he should catch cold. Now notes, number 1, so that and so that should be clearly distinguished. So in the principal clause and that introducing a subordinate clause suggests results. So that together suggests purpose. So स्पेस दैट यानी कि सो आपका पहले वाले क्लॉज में है, सबऑर्डिनेशन में आपका दैट है, उसका मतलब होता है वो आपको कोई रिजल्ट बताएगा. सो दैट जब साथ में यूज करा जाता है तो वो आपको कोई पर्पस बताता है. इट इज रेनिंग सो हार्ड दैट वी कैन नॉट गो आउट. आर नॉट गोइंग आउट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ रेनिंग. We are organizing a fair so that we may raise funds for the school building. The purpose of organizing a fete is to raise funds for the school building. Lest means so that, not. It is followed by should and the clause is introduced by it does not take a negative. I kept sitting in the car lest it should be towed away. Now condition, if or unless. If you will be given a permanent job if your work is satisfactory. Unless, you will not be allowed to enter unless you have an identity card. Then you have concession or contrast. Though, although, yet, even if. Though she is humble, though she is rich. Or although. Although he lost heavily, yet he did not lose heart. Even if I shall not betray my country, even if I have to sacrifice my life for it. Then you have comparison, as or as than. As or as. He is as clever as his brother. Than. Anu is cleverer than her sister. Then you have manner, जहाँ पे आपका as या फिर as if use होता है. As, they acted as they had been advised, as if, he behaved as if he were hungry. Note, in the sentence, all the students who were absent yesterday should meet the principal, who is a relative pronoun and not a conjunction. It is a relative pronoun functioning as a conjunction. Now, conjunctions used in pairs, correlative conjunctions. Some conjunctions convey their full sense only when they are used in pairs. They are often called correlative conjunctions. Some of the correlative conjunctions are coordinating while some of them are subordinating. अब कुछ conjunctions ऐसे होते हैं जो pairing में काम करते हैं तभी पूरा sense दे पाते हैं. Hence, they are known as correlative conjunctions. When we use a correlative conjunction, its two parts are placed immediately before the words to be connected. He not only stole my pen, but my books also. He stole not only my pen, but my books also. Important correlative conjunction are discussed below. Either or. Either you should return the book or pay its price. We should watch the movie either on the video or in the hall. Neither nor, I am neither a book nor a rogue. They neither pay the rent nor vacate the house. Although or though, yet. Although India has rich resources, yet it is poor. Although she belongs to a rich family, yet she is miserly. These days, it is preferred to use either although or yet instead of using the two of them together. Although India has rich resources, it is poor. India has rich resources, yet it is poor. Both and, she is both intelligent and hardworking. The thief was both fined and imprisoned. Such land as is described in this book does not exist anywhere, and she is not such a woman as you would like to marry. Such or that. Such was his love for her that he gave up the throne in order to marry her. Such was the intensity of her grief that she could not even weep. So or as, he is not so brave as you think. As or as, he is as brave as a lion. As or so, as you sow, so shall you reap. As the child is, so is the man. Then you have so that. She sang so sweetly that the whole hall resounded with the cheers. The speech was so moving that all eyes became wet. Scarcely or hardly, scarcely had we stepped out when we got drenched. When she had hardly recovered from malaria when she met with an accident. Not only but also, she can speak not only French but German also. The room was not only cold but damp also. Then you have no sooner did I begin my homework than the lights went off. No sooner do the clouds appear in the sky than the peacocks begin to dance. Now, joining sentences with the help of conjunctions. We can join short sentences with conjunctions, but we should be careful in the choice of the conjunction to be used. A wrong conjunction would either make the sentence look absurd or convey a different meaning from one we wanted to convey. Let us take some examples. John was very wise. The king did not trust him. There's a contrast between these two statements. A wise man should have been trusted, but the king did not trust John. So we should use some conjunctions suggesting contrast. But, yet, still, although, etc. John was very wise, yet the king did not trust him. Although John was very wise, the king did not trust him. तो यहाँ पे contrast है दोनों sentences के बीच में, तो आप conjunctions भी contrasting ही use करोगे. We took a taxi for the stadium. We did not want to go late. We did not get too late for the game. Here the second statement expresses the purpose of the action mentioned in the first statement. So we should use a conjunction suggesting purpose, so that, lest, etc. We took an auto for the stadium so that we might not get late for the game. We took an auto for the stadium lest we should get late for the game. And note that we have to make suitable changes while framing our sentences. So it is just a matter of practice. सारे के सारे कंजंक्शंस कहाँ पे यूज करे जाते हैं. यू जस्ट हैव टू कॉन्स्टेंटली रीड दिस. प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए तो आपको पता चलता जाएगा कि कहाँ पर आपको किस टाइप का कंजंक्शन यूज करना है. लेट्स चेक योरसेल्फ. A. Rewrite these sentences as a single sentence using conjunction from the box. Be careful to not follow despite with of example, despite being unwell, Maria did her work. We are very hungry. We just had a snack on the way. Although we had a snack on the way, still we are very hungry. तो यहाँ पे contrast है, इसीलिए यहाँ पर आपका contrasting conjunctions use करे जाएंगे. Point out which conjunctions and state whether they are coordinating or subordinating for oral practice only. He might be inexperienced but he is quite efficient. तो यहाँ पर आपके कैसे हैं? यहाँ पर आपके subordinating conjunctions है. He might be inexperienced but he is quite efficient. Fill in the blanks with one of the conjunctions given in the brackets. No sooner had the flight taken off dash the engine developed a snag. When the engine developed a snag. Rewrite these sentences using the conjunctions given in the brackets. Both the chairman as well as the members are attending the meeting. Join the following pairs of sentences using a suitable conjunction from the box given below. Do not be unfair. Do not tolerate unfairness. Do not be fair and neither be unfair or nor tolerate other people's fairness. Fun zone, can you spot all the conjunctions in these sentences? In 1850, a newspaper in Paris was printed on rubber so that the people who liked to read in both could do so. तो यहाँ पे जो so that बीच में आपका use करा गया है, it is used as an conjunction. So students, with this we come to end of this chapter. Just go through this entire chapter thoroughly and rest of the exercise questions, please throw it.
What they count to